When was the last time that you checked your auto, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage? So remember, if you're involved in a car accident, there's only two pots that we can recover from. Either the person that is at fault, their insurance policy, or if you have what they call uninsured motorists or underinsured motorists. In California, they go together. So you don't want to rely on someone else's insurance policies because most people are underinsured. Some people, 20% statistically, don't even have auto insurance to begin with, and they're driving. So you want to make sure that you want to check your policy, and you want to make sure that you have sufficient uninsured or underinsured motorist limits. So that way, if someone hits you and they have a minimum policy, let's say they have $30,000, and your case is worth $1 million, then you could recover the $30,000 and then go after your insurance for the balance, and that way you get sufficiently compensated for your injuries. Let me give you an example. I met with a client at my office yesterday who was involved in a motorcycle accident, and he ended up having two surgeries, one on his leg and one on his arm. Potentially his case is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe upwards of $500,000 or more. I checked his insurance policy and he had the minimum. He had a $30,000 policy, and his uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage was also $30,000. So that might be all we're able to recover if the other party that is at fault doesn't have higher insurance limits. So you want to make sure that you check your insurance policy and up your limits to a point where you could afford that's adequate, that'll adequately compensate you for your injuries.